Hello, welcome to the Cisco Solutions, where we give you tech tips and tutorials. And my name is Derek. Today I have a very interesting topic. I want to probably never heard of ChatGPT. In this era of AI, there's something that is revolutionizing search engines, and that is probably going to make Google obsolete, and that is ChatGPT. You probably heard about it, but you don't know how to go about it. You don't know how it works, or you probably just don't know what it is, or you probably never even heard about it. Today, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial just for you to know what it is, to understand what it is, and how you can get started with it. So let's get on the computer and see what ChatGPT is. So you can see here that ChatGPT. What ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to generate human-like text and code in responses to use the prompts. Now, what you type in there to ask ChatGPT to do are called prompts, and that's what they call. And so it was created by a company called OpenAI, and OpenAI is a company, I think Elon Musk, what you see down here, this is the company that started ChatGPT, and then Elon Musk, I think, invested in it. And then, so how do you get to ChatGPT? There's a lot of them there. There's, I think, Google Bard, that's B-A-R-D, Google Bard, Microsoft has Pilot, Copilot. There's, I think, a lot or hundreds of them right now. Now, what you want to do is go to Google and look for this. You want to go to where it says Introducing ChatGPT. That's where you want to go to get to ChatGPT. Now, so when you come here, it brings you here. Where you want to go is where it says Try ChatGPT. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. There's a free version and there's a paid version that is like $20 a month. You don't need that. You just need the free version. It will do probably but this everything that you want to do. It has limitation, but it can do most of the things. So you want to go to Try ChatGPT. It brings you now. It automatically logged me in because I'm logged in. So you can see that my profile there. That's why I said you want to log in. The reason you want to log in because it's going to save your information. Everything that you type in is going to be saved here. So when you log in back in, it will be here. You can also archive. Those things by coming to your settings here. Or if you come here, you go here. You can see here where it says archive. When you go to archive, it archives that. To get to your archive, so if you don't want to see it here, you can archive here. You can also delete this. Just coming here and saying delete. And so I'm just showing you the interface how you can get around ChatGPT. So these are things that I've typed in the past. They are saved here. If I don't longer need them here, I can either delete them, rename them, or I can share them. Now, to go to your archived content, you want to come here. So go here, then you want to go to settings. These are your settings. So when you go to settings, you want to come archived charts here, and then you want to go to where it says manage archived charts. So you want to go here. So these are all the things that I've archived. I don't want to see them, but I saved them because maybe I want to reference back to them at some point. This is where I want to come and archive them. If I want to restore it back, I can just click on it. See here where it says here, then an archive, then it goes back on the other side. So when you're done, you finish. So this is how you log out. You can delete all, then you can build your profiles, and then you can put, I don't like doing that, but you can also put in your profile so that it knows your preferences and it customize your preferences. Now, when you want to start, you want to click on, if I want to go back to this one, I'll just click on this and it will bring up this content here. Or I can go to the next one, it will bring up this content. But if you want to come back to the starting point, you want to click on here where it says this one here. This is where you want to go. So it's going to open up here. It's going to open up here. Now you can type in anything here. let's say you want to, you can ask it anything. That means that you can turn you into a genius, make you look like a genius to your boss, but also make you dumb because you're not using your brain. But the output that it gives you is genius. But because you're not using your brain, you're becoming dumb by the day. That's what I mean by that. Now, let's say, let me just show you. It can turn you into a computer programmer. It can write computer programs. It can turn you into a data scientist. It can do research for you. It can write your research paper. All you have to do is put in the correct prompts. Let me just show you what to do. Just need to provide computer code program, computer pro to write a program. When you hire those guys online, this is what they do. They take about 2 minutes. So I asked ChatGPT to do that. So ChatGPT writes, gives the explanation, gives me the outline, key features, design app from end, React Native code. That's a program that it is using. So it writes a code. It's given me a computer code for a mobile parking app. So I can just copy this page code and paste it in a design program, and then I have a mobile app built, and you're going to pay me on like what, per hour, and then I'll charge you. It has taken me less than 5 minutes, and I'm going to paste this into a program, and then build a publish an app, and call you and say, okay, I need 10,000. Or maybe I want $150 per hour, and then I won't give it to you today. I'll give it to you. I'll tell you it was going to take me 3 months, right? And then after you come after 3 months, I'm going to say I'm going to charge you $150 per hour. This is what these guys do. So if you are smart enough, you can just get on here and do it yourself, right? Now, if I want to archive this code, see, it allows me to copy the code here. I can copy the code here and just paste it wherever I want to paste it. It gives you that option. So I can archive this, or I can just delete it if I don't need it. Now, if I don't like it, I can ask it. So some of the things that you can do is, I like to um, 25 chapter titles, description, go into an oven. Let's see if ChatGPT can live up to our expectation, right? Okay. Echoes of the midnight. Echoes of midnight. So it has written description. It has provided suggested 25 chapters. There's also character profiles. There's written, normally they require this for movies. When they turn a novel into a movie, they ask for a character profile. So it has written that. Then plot outline. Yeah, this site has done more like a script when they do movie script. This is where they put these like character outline plots and character profiles. They use this for movies theme. You know. So these are some of the settings, writing tips. So it has given me an option for a novel. Now I can. That's why you see a lot of authors nowadays. This is what they use to get. So that's one of the things that we can do. The other thing that ChatGPT can do. Let me just find a calculus formula here. If I can find one calculus problem. Let's see if ChatGPT can handle that. Okay. I probably found, I'm not good at math, but let's just see if I can find something that ChatGPT, we test ChatGPT. Let's see if GTP is as smart as it says. Oh, okay. I'm trying to find a problem here, guys. ChatGPT calculus. Getting any problems, chat calculus methods. Problem, guys? See why I don't like Google? Because you have to sift through the different solutions, the options that it gives you. It doesn't give you. ChatGPT takes you straight. You see how much time I'm taking. I could have found that on ChatGPT, but Google is taking me like hours just to find that. ChatGPT would have just taken me directly to. You just look at how much time I'm wasting just to find the solution in Google, because I have to go. Okay, let's find this. Finally I found one. Now it's how much it took me to find a problem, and see how fast ChatGPT is going to take to solve that problem. That take me probably like 5 minutes to find. See, it took me how much time it took me to find this solution, and how long did it take for ChatGPT to solve that problem? Less than a minute, right? That's like less than a minute. That's just how fast it is. Let's find another. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, is there another one here? So, fine. Oh, this one even has a solution. Let me see if at least I found one that has a solution. Let me see if ChatGPT is going to find. I can't copy it. Anyway, that's what ChatGPT can do. It can write anything like a business proposal. Business proposal. Write a business proposal. What I'm typing here are called prompts. So what you give it, if you are more definitive, ChatGPT is going to give you a more exact output. If it's general, is going to generalize. Let's see if ChatGPT can do that. Try enough. This is telling me that you could please, can you please type of business or project? Or so. Yeah, sure. So healthcare business based and Texas. and target is telehealth. Let's see if it's going to give us now a response.
Thank you for the information. Below is a draft.
So because I responded, now it's given me a response because I was more specific. That's why it says you have to be more specific. If you're general, too general, it's not going to give you a response. So I have to, it asks me, I have to provide more detail. If I add all the numbers, business name, I put in my business name. See, that's this. So I can just copy this and then plug in my information in here. And then see, these are so now it makes the job easy. It can make you look like a genius to your boss, even though this makes you become more dumb by the day. There's a target market, there's the services offered because I was more specific. Then there's platforms, there's even suggested platforms that suggest. Now I can say, can you suggest because I didn't give it a name, so I didn't put a name in here. See? Now, let's say I said a name, title, company, date. It's my name, my business name, and I included operation. I'm just making up name. Same information that it was suggesting. So I was asking for company website. Yeah. So let's see if ChatGPT is going to rewrite the proposal. Yeah. Is ChatGPT doing?
Here is an updated version of your business.
So it says, here's an updated version of your business proposal with a fitting name, tagline, and website domain name. So now it has put in business proposal for Texas in Houston, Texas, prepared by John Tembo, Business Operations Director. Health. It has put in that information. Let's see what is at the bottom. You see that it has put in my information, business operations, telecare, it has put in, and it has suggested the business name. So this is what ChatGPT can. I don't want to bore you. I just wanted to give you the basic understanding of the interface and the prompt. Now, you can type in anything now. Start a business, right? Has already done anything. So you can go on adding like Basically, this is what you pay people. They say they're consultants and you pay them what? They take 6 months to do this for you, and you pay them thousands and thousands of dollars. But all they do is sit on the computer and just do, all they do is do this, and then they'll just tweak a few things, and then they present it to you after 6 months. But probably they're on vacation, eating your money. You're waiting for, he says, oh, he's writing a business proposal for me to take 3 months to finish. Meanwhile, he's enjoying your money in Hawaii or Cancun, and you are sitting there, but it took them less than 5 minutes to do that on the computer, right? There it is. It has put everything. Look, it has even suggested a budget. I just need to plug in the figures here, and then maybe just remove some of the things that I don't need. It can do that. We've done a book, we've done a business proposal program, we've done a computer program. How many things have I done in less than like 30 minutes? We've drafted a book, title and chapter. We've designed a mobile app, right? Just look at the things that I've done in less than what, 30 minutes? With the business proposal, then we did this. So we have drafted a business. So somebody has reached out, they want me to design a mobile app for me. So I'm like, okay, can you design? Yeah, I think we designed a mobile app earlier. So design yeah, that's what we started with. So we did that. So how many things we've done? A calculus, solved the calculus, complicated calculus math, designed a mobile app. We've designed, written a business proposal. We can write a business plan. We can do anything. So this is what you can do with ChatGPT. All you have to do is open up your mind and go on the internet. The internet is there for you. People are making money. That's why you see them just busy making noise on the internet, on social media, and you're wondering what these guys do. Whilst on social media chatting with you, they are also making money, because I can type this. I did this in less than 30 minutes. I spend 3 hours now on social media just posting and reading what other people are doing or arguing with people, and I'm also making money. This is what you can do. You can start a business by just writing business proposals for people. They give you the information, you plug it in here, 5 minutes, you have a business proposal for them. You have a business plan for them. This is what I wanted to show you. Now, I don't want this, so I'm going to delete this because I don't need this. So you can write a resume or a CV, like you say. You can write a CV, right? Can you? Sorry, I'm being dumb. Yes, CV/resume for US and CV for British. For a graduate, I like to use healthcare because of my wife. So, graduate, right? An entry level. Okay, let's say entry level, right? So, because I don't want it to use my information. My name is I like to use my Mboyas. Maria Tembo. Tembo. gmail.com 125. Sorry. I'm just trying to make you see what it can do. The road. Yeah. Lusaka. What else did we leave out? Phone number. And here Maria Tembo. Liking Kata Road. Then ChatGPT is smart enough to know that that's the address and the phone number. My phone number is 60979 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT can draft that for us. It's probably reading. Now it's analyze the information. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put the invest. I should have put the invest there. So it didn't include the invest there because I forgot to, yeah. We can put, I forgot to put the date I graduated in Saga. At least it put University of Bachelor of. So you can see that it has done that. The objective, it has written objective. That's really, I put University of Osaka. I forgot to put that. It put that. So you can just change clinical experience. So it has written. So this is what ChatGPT can do. You are hiring those people online to do your CVs and your resumes for you. They take less than 5 minutes to do that for you. And then they take what? They say it will take 14 business days. So this is ChatGPT. Now you know what ChatGPT is, if you didn't know. And you can now go and just test it out. This is like Google on steroid. I stopped using Google a long time ago. You saw how long it took me to just search for a calculus formula in Google. It gives me thousands of sites, and then I have to go through them. The ChatGPT took less than a minute to solve that problem that took me more than almost 10 minutes to find in Google. So you can use it to do anything. You can search for anything. Now, caution. Sometimes it gets things wrong, so you have to verify the information it's giving you. If you are doing like a resume, it's easy to verify your information. If you are doing, if it's doing things like calculation, if you're a student, please don't use this because when it started, it was a problem. Students were using it to write term papers. You can even answer exam questions, right? Let me just find out. It can answer exam questions, and if you give it exam question, let me see if I can find some sample exam questions online. Sample exam questions. Sample exam questions. So I got some questions online. Let me see if I can get these questions and copy it. So it's up there on it in PDF. Okay, let me just show you what ChatGPT can do. I just copied some questions here online. Question 1. So ChatGPT is answering the question. Says here is the answer to the question. Questions. The answer is B. Question B. The answer is D. Question 3. The answer is B. I probably didn't see the questions. See that these questions have 1. Did I? I didn't copy the question. Anyway, when entering into a contract with another business, an agent is the party that represents A, consultants, B, a defendant, C, the opposition, D, the principal. So ChatGPT, that question says it's B, the principal. The person who files the lawsuit is known as the plaintiff. See? So ChatGPT can answer that. So these are some of the things that GTP. So go and now for students, I'm not saying you go and use this for your tests. Colleges came up with programs that can detect. If you write a paper using ChatGPT, universities and colleges now run through programs that will catch or tell whether it was written by a human being or an AI model. So don't do this. You can use it to do research or to get ideas or to study, for study questions to get answers, but don't use it for exam. So thank you. This is Derek from the Cisco Solutions, where we give you tech tips and tutorials and to make you smarter and make you work smarter. so that you can enjoy your time, your free time, use your free time to relax, but also just do less work, but do more with these tools that are available to you online. So thank you, and see you in the next story.